And we're looking at GLD, and we're starting to see this actually make a nice little move here. We saw this little, corrective ABC pattern. You see this pull back, and now it's nice little move back up into the 16 and 116 3/8. This has to really continue and make that big move to the 120 to 122, but we still have to kind of respect the fact that it's been in a longer term move here. I've got some more, very somewhat technical stuff working on there that I would rather save for another time. But what we're seeing here, I think, is still a stock that's been in sell-off, and you have to respect that fact it has. But you could see right here clearly, you see the low, and you had the double bottom there. Now this could really clean up and try to make that move, but you still have to anticipate that a lot of times you see these continuation patterns. They run sideways, and they run in these movements, and then they eventually could, turn the change trend, or they come back into here. So you're not absolutely sure, as far as the trend is concerned just yet, because it's still, on the longer term, or the longer sense of the word. Yeah, the trend is still down. You can see here is a higher high, a higher high here, a lower high here. But on the short term, we've been seeing this kind of try to clean up, and you could see this kind of at the midpoint of that. And that's why it's so crucial to kind of see some clear evidence here. I mean, it's kind of a lot, I'm saying there's a lot more risk to the upside, but I'm starting to be a lot more of a believer that, our low may be in. I called the low for 110, and we've been there ever since. It's just, you have to always anticipate a potential that you could be wrong and you could retest that low again. And, you never know here. But this is one of those things that I would be anticipating a test of that 118 to 120. And if we see that aggressive move there, we could see much further action. So we'll keep an eye on gold. Again, it's doing much better, and I do believe we could see a very big break to the upside in gold. As I've been saying, I'm pretty bullish on it, a long term.